I'm going to show you how to make a caged bead pendant through a series of short videos. I'm going to start by showing you some of the materials that we're going to need. We need a wire cutter, a needle nose pliers, and a round nose needle nose pliers, as well as some sandpaper, a bench block, a ball peen hammer, which has a rounded tip, 2 sizes of wire, and a bead. The first thing that we're going to do is talk a second about the wire. Now, a skinny wire actually has a bigger gauge, and a fatter wire has a smaller gauge, which does not seem logical, but hey, that's how it is. We're going to start with the smaller wire and make a double spiral. So what I'm going to do is take my round nose pliers, and near the end I'm going to pinch it and then bend it around, but I only want to bend it around that first one. And then I'm going to spiral, and you can switch back and forth between the 2 pliers, whichever works better for you. I like to have a nice tight spiral, and some people also find it easier once they get to this point to just use their fingers and work it around like that. Personally, I like the pliers. So I'm not going to go super far on here before I start on the other side. And then I'll repeat the same thing, bending it around. I like to use the needle nose pliers here because I can really help to try to keep it level. And now I'm going to come back to the other side. And I want these 2 spirals to be close to being the same size. Getting close. Okay, now I need to have them going opposite directions, so I'm going to bend it over and twist so that it's like that. Then I'm going to bend it so that it's like an L, like so. And then I'm going to take the needle nose pliers, let me see if I can get this up a little closer, and push right up and kind of bend that up a little bit to help separate those coils. And then do the same thing at the bottom. Good. Now I've got a little bit of space in there that I'm hoping I can fit my bead. I may need to take it out and bend those wires because this bead is kind of fat, and just work with it so that I can fit the bead right in and then wrap the wire around. Okay, in the next video you're going to see that wrapped around. You don't need to sit there and watch me do all the bending, and I will pick up with the next step.